If you want to ship with USPS, you don't need to wait in line at the post office. You can print your own shipping labels at home. Let me walk you through the steps. For domestic labels, start by entering the return and delivery address, package details, optional package value, and shipping date. Make sure the return address is within the US, because foreign return addresses aren't allowed on domestic packages. If you're creating several labels with the same details, you can use the batch option. Just remember it doesn't work for military addresses, US territories, or international mail. Next, choose the service type and any extra services you'd like to add. Once you select your options, add the label to your cart. You can either continue creating more labels or move on to checkout. On the cart page, review all the details. If something looks wrong, you can edit it, delete the label, or create another one. When everything looks correct, continue to billing, enter your payment method, and move on to the Pay and Print page. From here, you can print your label right away, save it as a PDF to print later, or even use the label broker service to print at a post office. Labels can also be reprinted from your shipping history until the end of the shipping date. For international labels, the steps are almost the same, but there's one extra step. After you enter the addresses, package details, and shipping date and select your service type, you'll need to fill out customs information. Be specific about what's inside the package and include the value. Once that's done, review everything in your cart, go to billing, make the payment, and then print or save your label. Just like with domestic shipments, you can reprint until the end of the day. And that's all it takes.